Good morning, good morning. Here we are once again. Now, Mia, we haven't really...
Happy spring!
I don't think it's spring yet. Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's March. It's the start of spring.
Okay, Mia says it's spring. I don't think it really is yet. But we'll find out. She could be right. I could be wrong. We just got our glove box. Now, apparently, did it come a couple days ago? When did it come?
It came a couple days ago when you were gone.
I was gone. I was in Chicago. I was teaching. But Mia set it by the door. She didn't open it. She waited till I got home. So, we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Are you ready to check this out, Mia? All right. Open this here. We got our monthly subscription box from Glovebox. All right. Go ahead, just throw it. Good job. Let's see. What's the first thing? That's a towel. Let's check out the towel.
Fluffy.
It's a fluffy towel. All right. What else do we have? We have auto wash. So this is like car wash shampoo. We got a mitt. One of the little noodle mitts.
Like the one that you hold in your hand.
We got Hydra, which is a rinseless wash. These are all from Phoenix, it looks like. And then we got Titan Hybrid Detailer with a sprayer. And look, I think we got a sticker. That's what's in our box this month. You want to smell these? See what they smell like and check them out? So this is Apex Auto Wash from Phoenix. Let's give it a smell. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it's got one of those little like stopper caps in it. That's different. Here, smell it. What do you think?
It doesn't smell like anything.
Here, let's see. Anything?
I don't know. Maybe I smelled it like a couple years ago.
I don't know, because we've never really used these products before,
But
but...
I remember that smell like when it was 5 or 4.
Okay. Now let's check out Hydra. This is their rinseless wash. So this is going to be like optimum no rinse, you know, things like that in the typical standard rinseless wash category. This, not for me.
Amazing! 1,000,000 out of 1,000,000!
So it smells like what?
Like
bubble gum? Yeah, I figured you would like this. We'll see. Then we have Titan Hybrid
I also want to
Detailer.
have a baba. It tastes like grapes.
I don't know what it smells like medicine. Like kids' medicine that's supposed to taste good, but it doesn't. It smells like
999,000 out of 1,000,000.
smells like penicillin. I don't know. I'm not a fan of these smells. Mia, you like these smells though? Cool. Let's check out your mitt that you got, because I don't like the mitts where you put your hands into. I like wash pads. Here, let's check out your noodle mitt. What do you think? I do like the soft little towel. Very nice. What do you think? What do you think of our glove box this month with products from Phoenix EOD? It's cool? You really like it? Is this Yes, EOD. So we'll put this on our here. We'll put this there. Awesome. Lots of fun. Thank you for opening the products. What was your favorite product? Which one smelled the best?
The bubble gum.
The bubble gum, which is the Hydra rinseless wash. That's the one that you really, really like. We'll play with that one. We'll test it out. What do you think? Good idea? Cool. Thank you for joining us. We haven't had much time lately. Mia's big into the cheer scene, and I've been traveling and teaching. So I just got back from Chicago. I was there and I was teaching detailing.
Were
and
you in Illinois?
I was in Illinois. I was in Chicago, Illinois by the O'Hare Airport, and I was teaching detailing, paint correction, mostly focused on paint enhancement. And I was teaching PPF and touch-up paint. So that's it for me. That's it for you, right, Mia?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next time. Bye.